a New York Times report revealing that Amazon plans to replace human jobs with robots in the coming years. That report reads, executives told Amazon's board last year that they hoped robotic automation would allow the company to continue to avoid adding to its U.S. workforce in the coming years, even though they expect to sell twice as many products by 2033. That would translate to more than 600,000 people not having a job. So here, the human race are the ones who have made Amazon what they are. Now they're just throwing them out like the evening trash.
As they have also killed off the mom and pop shops around America. But at the same time, it is kind of ironic that right now, the recent news was Amazon is hiring for the holidays. Well, these are really brief jobs. They don't mean that much to the economy or to the workforce that's out there for anybody who really needs a job. And to cut off all these jobs, it's inevitable because, again, Amazon is a business. They're out to make money, and they see the fact that they can use technology, especially robotics, in their distribution hubs where humans just simply can't work 24/7. So what'll be interesting is when Amazon realizes that they have killed off so much of the economy with robots.
Exactly. It's like, guys,
until robots start shopping.
Yeah, Iris is going to take over before we know it.
It's possible. Okay. It's possible.
Kurt, thank you so much. We appreciate it.